Hello guys, today we are seeing a trailer we are exporting to the Nigeria, and those trailer we made for Dangote, and this trailer is exported by the Sino truck and we produced for them. So you can see the air connection has been contacted to the tractor, which we are going to send it today, and the front bulkhead is removable. Once it arrives to the terminal, it can be removed and packed over there. In the side we have the drop side and the post and those handles to fasten it. These are the hinges we are using for this trailer. It's quite normal, and the price and quality ratio is pretty good. Different than the other trailer we have seen, this one has contacted with the fifth wheel. This is the fifth wheel, and that is the kingpin plate. The kingpin has contacted with the fifth wheel from here. You can see it's connecting the fifth wheel over there. Behind here we can see the tractor ending from here, and a little bit of gap here for the turning. So when it is turning, this does not hitting the landing gear. That's quite important. The landing gear you are seeing is a Yosta brand. You can see the nameplate over here. And this is the EBS operation panel. Here we can see the EBS brand and the website and how to operate it. Behind the side protection, we have the water tank behind it. So the driver can put the water or the fuel into the tank. Most of the time in the African, they would put the fuel, like a diesel, to the tank to do the long distance driving, because they have limited gas station over there. The black part is the twist lock. So this trailer is also multi-purpose. It can be loaded other cargoes inside, like the cement bags or the containers. The position of the twist lock shows it can also load 20 foot and 40 foot, because it has one in the middle. If it is only for the 40 foot, they should have the two corners, four corners, sorry, each of them have each twist lock. So it would for the 40 foot. They put two in the middle, so they can put two 20 foot on top of it. Here's the tire. The tire, you can see it is a Fuhua brand, and the suspension hanger, the equalizer is connecting with the leaf spring. That's why we call it leaf spring suspension. On top of the suspension, we have two reinforcement bar and also the bracket to the main beam. This is the main beam. It's like the backbone of the human being. It's the backbone of the semi-trailer. Oh, this one is the rope fastener. The rope fastener is used to fasten the rope, and we usually have another rope hook here. So you can put the hook here and get the rope over to the other side, and in the other side you can use this device to fasten it, so it would give you a good position to fasten the canvas or the cargo on top of it. The tire pattern. The tire pattern we're using is typically trailer tire pattern for the following axle. You know, the trailer axle is not a steering, is not a driving, it's just a following. So this type of the pattern is the best. See another small tank in the rear. As you can see in the rear, we have this small tank. It is used for the water most of the time, but it is also okay for any kind of liquid. For this project, I think the driver would use this one for the water tank, like washing their hand or cool themselves down in the desert. And in the front, that one would be for the gas, for the fuel, like a diesel tank for the engine. Here in the rear of the trailer, we can see in the rear we have a drop side, with those 4 hinges, reflector tapes, license plate and license light, license plate position. Those 4 holes are to fix the license plate on top of it. Here is the triangle reflector. This is a long reflector tape. This one is the braking light, and we have other light like a reversing light and turning light over here with a huge protection. This is a good design for the client to protect their light, because this one is just a steel and it's cheap, but this one, it costs a lot compared to this piece of steel. So this one would protect it from the small heat. Here we have another 4 rope hook over here to also used for the ropes. You might ask a question, what those yellow rubber for? You can see it's all along in this side belong the side beam, and we have 2 in the rear. Okay, the question is, when you are open the drop side in the rear or in the side, those 2 yellow rubber would protect the drop side to hit the steel structure here. It would give you better protection when you are using it during the operation. From this side, you can see a small toolbox in the rear. It's quite small. It's probably just for the jacks and some other stuff you need to lock. You can open it from here, and also you can lock it here. We usually put the case inside the toolbox, such like this. You can see here is the case, and we put some tire, spare tire crackers and some spare toes here. All right, let's lock it down. Okay. In this side is similar than the other side, but it has another side protection over here. Behind the side protection, you can see there are 2 spare wheel carrier over there. The 2 spare wheel carrier would hold maximum 4 spare wheels for your driver. So when you are driving this in the long distance, those 4 wheels might save your life. Here is the other side of the landing gear, and let's go under the trailer. Now we can see from the bottom of the trailer. Here you can see this is the leaf spring and U-bolt and the braking chamber. Here is the braking hose to there. You can see there is a valve over there. That's for the EBS. And on top of it is all black color. The reason we put the frame is black color is to protect it from those mud, and it is a typical regular standard for all the trailer manufacturers. Okay, I think that's all at the bottom. Let's get up. Alright guys, I think that's enough for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy our video. If you like our channel, please subscribe or hit the like button at the bottom. Thank you very much. Bye.